What if centuries of scientific knowledge and millions of data points could be transformed into actionable, health-focused product formulations? Our client, a food science entrepreneur, wanted to leverage over 100 million data points, from ancient sciences to modern research, to create plant-based, easy-to-use health products. The challenge was clear: build a working prototype in just 8 weeks, process massive volumes of data, and do it without expensive resources or large engineering teams. We designed a hybrid architecture combining no-code, low-code, and AI technologies, using Bubble for the interface, Postgres for high-performance data storage, Appsmith for research workflows, and Python for machine learning and predictive modeling. The platform enabled seamless data collection, real-time analysis, and intelligent predictions, turning complex datasets into investor-ready insights through a clean, user-friendly interface. In just 8 weeks, the prototype helped secure $500K in seed funding. Within 18 months, the platform scaled further to raise $7 million, proving the power of rapid AI-driven product development. This project demonstrates how a well-structured combination of no-code, low-code, and AI can build a scalable AI-first business, fast, efficient, and investor-ready. We help founders turn complex ideas into market-ready AI-powered products, delivered fast and built to scale.